In this video, we're going to walk through the emission units section where you'll be detailing the emission units at your facility. On this screen, you will see a list of emission units previously added. To add a new emission unit, select the Add button at the bottom right corner of the screen. To begin, we will add an emission unit identifier. This identifier should be consistent with the emission unit number found in the air quality permit. Next, we will select the type of emission unit from the searchable list. This is a reciprocating internal combustion engine. Then we'll add a brief emission unit description. The status is operating, so a status date is not required. This is also considered a large unit because it is a non-emergency engine with a rating greater than 1,000 horsepower. Therefore, we will enter the design capacity. After completing this section, we will select Save to check for validation errors and save the new unit. The summary of emission units has now been updated to include the new unit.